asked my brother, Ricky, and myself and himself to stand beside refugees and migrants. My brother and I were taught very succinctly about our genealogy to the Rift of Africa, like Kenya, Uganda, and our travel and our DNA into the Rift and throughout the world. It would have taken us at least 1.5 billion years to get here. But our DNA is in all those countries. That's the reality given to me from my aunties and uncles, to teach our children, to teach others, to welcome anyone in who came from refugees or migrants into our country. Our responsibility is to give them that genealogy and say, you are of us, we are of you, and to welcome them as family from generations back, in terms of the journey that Māori had to make from the Rift of Africa. Because this is our genealogy, we will teach our children to have respect for others because they are family. When I welcome people in, I always, the surround of Aotearoa and his brothers, and I know all the mountains of the South Island, they come in, you are under their umbrella. It is a peaceful umbrella. You are of us. So that's how I explain it. They understand that. Refugees and migrants. Absolutely. Our tikanga and kawa is no different than theirs. Knowledge of oneself. Knowledge of oneself and our genealogy to our land is the same. The kawa is respect for all and how we interact with other people. You give that respect, they give that back to you. Yes, we were made to feel responsible, to welcome people and to stand beside people that needed our help. Now, as Māori, we understand that.